Want a faster browser that saves mobile data and loads websites quickly? In this guide, I'll show you how to install Opera Mini on your Android phone and set it as the default browser in just a few minutes. Step 1. Install Opera Mini, unlock your phone and opening the Google Play Store. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Opera Mini. From the search results, look for Opera Mini, fast web browser and tap on it. Next, tap the install button. The download and installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button indicating that Opera Mini is ready to use. You can tap open to launch the browser immediately or return to your home screen and find the Opera Mini icon in your app drawer. Step 2. Set Opera Mini as your default browser. To make Opera Mini your default browser, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Depending on your device model and Android version, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the option is generally found within the Apps section. At the top of the Apps menu, tap Choose Default Apps or Default Apps. Next, tap Browser app. You'll see a list of all browsers currently installed on your device. Select Opera Mini from the list. Once selected, Android will automatically use Opera Mini whenever you open web links from other apps, emails, or messages. That's all for this tutorial. Enjoy browsing with Opera Mini and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more helpful Android guides.